Another simple brain box is simple damage. If you select that, you can see it's allow object will be damaged with if the other object collide with that. If you set it, we have nothing, just a damage. It just add a damage node that I have to explain it later, because it's, if you set it, it does not anything for you. You have to use if collide, you have to use defeat, debris explosion, you have to use health bar, or lots of other node to damage your object. So this just, it's a simple node that is not useful here. Don't worry, I will be explain them one by one here. I record this video that tell you, just wait, I will explain the damage in its place.